Mucusless Diet, the case studies that are presented in there, Spira Speaks, the case studies that I put in that book. It's meant to deepen one's understanding of the principles of the mucusless diet and put into proper perspective how long things can take depending on your physiology, depending on your life, depending on your goals. Is going to be different. But I want to show you what a realistic transition of somebody practicing the Mucusless Diet Healing System methodology, what that looks like over time. I don't see many videos of anybody, of the raw food people or I don't see anybody really talking like that and showing what that trajectory looks like. And you can see how, and there's plenty of people that are probably, I'll check the chat, and there's people like, I can go faster than that. Because one thing that happens is you can feel so good on different kinds of mucus-free, especially the fruit. You can feel as if you can eat like that forever, but physiologically, you're not there yet. And then when you hit the ceiling or the wall, you blame it on lack of nutrition, all the common things, instead of blaming it on the real problem, which was lack of transition, lack of being comfortable in a plateau point, dealing with these items, having those mucus forming foods on your list that you might eat literally once a year, because that's a sophisticated transition. If you can eat something that maybe you ate a lot in years 1 and 2, but you only crave it and eat it one time a year by year 9 and 10, it's not 100% out of your diet. Think about how much better that is to eat it once a year than to be like, I'm never eating that again, and then you fall off the wagon. And I see it, I drive by Pizza Hut and see it, in the drive-through. Transition, that's the point. And don't be guilty. Like, just work the system. Like, you do you. And that goes for, again, if you hardcore, like, man, I'm raw, this is what I'm doing, I'm never going back. I'm not telling you to eat like this. I'm saying that these are tools that are available for you or people that you might be in a position to help. Because people, your roommates, your mom and father, your grandparents, you're not going to persuade them with 100% raw. Because I wouldn't have been persuaded with that. If Brother Air would have came to me with 100% raw, dogmatic type of argument, that would have turned me off. I never would have got into any of this. The mucusless diet rang so true to me. That was the game changer. It was like the principle of evolutional changes, slowly changing things over time. That made sense. I could see that. I could envision that. That made sense. But these 100% all or nothing things, I never felt for that, because I already know that doesn't work. Over and over again, it doesn't work. So many people. And so, like I said, for years, we've been that pillow that so many people have fallen onto. We've been able to catch them.